Hey folks, Rebecca Gordon here with Gordon Marketing, the wizard of health insurance. Hey, a good question and a question I get asked constantly from our partners out in the field is, Rebecca, with health reform, how am I going to make money in this market? It's a great question, and I kind of diagrammed out a little snack to let you know that we will continue to make money. We have a valuable service that we offer, and we're going to be just fine. We know that major medical is still going to be a viable product. People will want it. Come 2014 is where the guaranteed issue takes place, and if you don't have a major medical, you will be penalized. But we're not there yet. We still have about 4 years. But we know that commissions are going to go down in that market, and we know that premiums are going up. So that market will stay there. It's probably going to get a lot smaller. The expanding market, the market where we will really be able to write a lot of business, is in the scheduled benefits market. If you've never gotten into the scheduled benefits, you need to be tuning into our webinars. Check out our audios on our website. But this is a market, it is not major medical, but it is health insurance. These plans tend to cover far more Americans than a major medical because they're easier to get issued. Some things you will never find in a scheduled benefit plan: no height weight. There is no height weight chart. You will never have smoker rates, which if you are a smoker, you know that on average your premium goes up at least 30% on a major medical. You're not going to have any ratings or riders. This is what I fondly refer to as the major medical headaches. They're easier to get issued, typically accept, reject underwriting with only 2 to 3 questions. Now the big selling point to these plans is the price. These plans are priced correctly. Because they don't cover as much as a major medical, they don't charge as much. Typically you're going to find them to be half the cost of a major medical minus the huge deductible, or they could be 2/3 less. These rates historically never change. So they make for a great renewal building block of business for an agent. If I sell someone who's a 39-year-old today, their rate should stay as a 39-year-old for the length of their policy. Other big selling opportunities, if you're in the senior market, I love to talk about the trophy spouses. A trophy spouse is, if my husband's getting a med sup, he's 65, but his wife is only 61, well, she's a trophy spouse. What are you going to do with her? Well, ideally, you'd look at a major medical. But what if she smokes and she's on blood pressure and cholesterol? You just killed the premium. So you can write a scheduled benefit, and we write a lot of scheduled benefits for these folks as a bridge going into Medicare. It's a perfect fit. Your next column is your standalone plans. Plans like your critical illness has become one of the hottest selling products in the market. They're perfect to package with a major medical, high deductible. They're perfect to package with a scheduled benefit, and they're perfect as a standalone. Other standalone plans, accidents. I have a lot of folks as a last case, if they can't qualify for this or this, the next product they always ask me about is a $10,000 accident. Something that will give me some money that I can use to apply towards medical bills. What about standalone drug or standalone dental? You're going to see a big push from insurance companies coming out with their own standalone portfolio. The nice thing is that these plans have nothing to do with health reform, which means they'll be able to pay out 40, 50, 60% commission. Give us a call. We're serious about this market, and we look forward to working with you.